Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Feyachi FL-46 flashlight. We'll start with an unboxing. Nice packaging. It's got a little pull-out handle here. Right away you have a small instruction booklet. I don't ever read those. We have charging cord, and we have the flashlight in a case. So very simple and right to the point. Really cool looking light. I'm excited to check this one out. I like this whole kind of grip deal. Instead of trying to hold it like a typical flashlight, I think this is really awesome. And you do have the charging port down here at the bottom. It's got a little door that slides, and then that's where you plug in your cord, USB. The Feyachi FL-46 flashlight. This is a right angle flashlight, IPX4 waterproof, LED rechargeable flashlight. Comes in this really cool Velcro case, and it's set up for you to put on a belt, and it also has where you can take it off without having to take off your belt. Nice little case, nice little compact flashlight. I'm really digging the right angle because you can grip it like this and you can do whatever you want. You're not kind of holding it like a typical flashlight, you know. I don't know why, but I like this. It's got 3 settings. So you got low, high, and strobe. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. If you do basically a 4th click, it just shuts it off and then it starts all over again. If you want to leave off, so we'll go to high. If you want to leave off and have it go right back to high, you press and hold, and then the flashlight goes off, and then now we instantly start at high. So that's the way to change it if you don't want to have to go through all 3 of them. Not really a big deal, only 3. Your high setting, which is this, is 500 lumens. We got our strobe, and then our low is 300 lumens. So it's a pretty bright flashlight. It is 4 inches tall, 1.54 inches across, very compact. It features a red light. When you're charging it, you'll have a red light, and then when it's fully charged, it's green. USB charging. You have a port down here at the bottom. It comes with the USB cable. You plug it right in. That's extremely nice. It's a rapid charge flashlight, charges extremely quick, 200 meter range, made from high grade aviation aluminum. The clip features the ability to mount the light almost anywhere, which I like. So you can actually clip this on your bill of your hat and the light flash, it points straight down, which is kind of cool. You know, you could put it on the side of your belt, have it literally stick it at the front and have it flashing out. It's a dual mounted clip, so you got many ways that you can mount this. You can position the flashlight all different ways. That's really cool. I've seen this for as low as $24.94 on Amazon when it's on sale. Quite the deal. The Feyachi FL-46 flashlight. There is our low setting, 300 lumens. So there's low, 300 lumens, high, 500 lumens. Really don't, out here in the dark, I'm not noticing as much of a difference. Strobe. Let's try that again. Low, 300, 500, strobe. Thank you so much for watching this review on the Feyachi FL-46 flashlight. I want to send a special thanks to Feyachi for sending the flashlight out for this review. I will include the link in the description where you can pick yourself up one. Great light, very handy, lots of uses. Everybody should have one. Thank you for watching.